The yearly use of one of my timeshares in Orlando became a way to benchmark changes in the timeshare industry. By 2010, a strange phenomenon began to emerge. Every year, I witnessed the building of more and more timeshare properties, but the availability of what I was looking for, three-bedroom units to defray costs, kept getting smaller. And there was the expense of having to pay for two trading companies because of the two timeshares. Having a reduction of price for an extended number of years for trading by being a member of the timeshare exchange over only a 1-year renewal made sense, but a change in policy by Interval canceled that out. No longer could I exchange my one-bedroom for a three-bedroom, only another one-bedroom, which sucked and smacked of greed on their part. Fortunately, the Palm Springs timeshare now listed with both exchange companies and was included in the RCI inventory, so I dropped Interval, and it was still possible to get three bedrooms with RCI. But each year, the inventory of available exchange units continued to shrink, so getting three-bedroom units was basically lost, and two-bedroom units meant fewer colleagues and more expense. And it could be no surprise that costs kept rising on everything. The cost of membership in the exchange, as well as the fee you were required to pay on top of that for the actual trade of your timeshare for another. And the annual maintenance fee for our timeshares continued to rise. For Hilton Head, the fee in 2000 was $350. Now it's over $1,000. And even with adjusting for inflation, the cost has doubled. And some creeping costs began showing up at the resorts themselves, such as internet usage. Fortunately, as a Golf Media member, I was always able to get them to cancel the fee, but the question remained, why? It had become a situation of much more for much less and would only get worse.